Welcome to Webstar Plus. In this video, I will guide you through how to select all emails in Gmail or how to view all emails in Gmail. Maybe you want to empty your Gmail account and delete all emails. So in Gmail, you might see these tabs: primary, promotions, social, updates, and forums. Each tab contains different type of emails. If you want old Gmail back or want to view all emails, here's how you can do it. From the left, click More. Scroll down, select All Mail, and it will display all the emails from start to the end in your Gmail account. As you can see, I have got 62,000 plus emails in my Gmail. If you want to delete these all, click this checkbox at the top and then click this link. Select All Conversations in All Mail. Now all conversations are selected in this Gmail account. After that, you can hit this delete icon to delete all conversations. This will delete each and every email in your Gmail account and it will be like new. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.